What we wanted to do was to find something that did well in the good times and also could survive, if not do well, in the bad times. And that's where we came up with storage.
Just let's start out with like how what you were thinking about when you wanted to join Storage Nerds. Like what was your vision of like a facility? All right, that'd be good. Just kind of
Yeah.
give that.
So when we purchased this, it was during COVID or the kind of the end of COVID. And so we wanted to run a business, but we were really afraid about, what businesses got, a lot of business got shut down in COVID. A lot of businesses had different restrictions and so forth. And we thought, and some businesses were just ran out of business during COVID. So what we wanted to do was to find something that did well in the good times and also could survive, if not do well, in the bad times. And that's where we came up with storage. And I found Stacy on Facebook, and she's always available for a call. And she set up a call with me where I could learn more about Storage Nerds. And we signed up in January of 2022 with Storage Nerds. And then so Stacy has these online classes that you can just take by yourself online, and we did all of those. And we got to the point where we're ready to really start looking for a storage facility. And Stacy has different ways of doing that. You have driving for storage, where you just drive around and you look and you see. You have you can look on your Google Maps for storage. If you are in a tertiary market, beware that not all the storage units are Google approved, and that you won't find them on there, but you can find them looking at the map, what looks like a picture of a storage unit. You can find it that way. So with a combination of that and driving for storage is how we found our storage facility. Now,
Remind everybody, or where do you live at, so everybody kind of knows too.
yeah,
So
so
what area?
we are in northeastern Tennessee, very close to Virginia, very close to North Carolina. And it's very much a tertiary market. We were not able to find anything right around where we lived. Our facility is about an hour away, but we were, that's what we did, just driving, and we found that.
I remember when I talked to you, you were like, I just want something like within 30 minutes.
Right. And
Right?
so
Yeah.
we had to
Go
expand
through that
our
process. Yeah.
thinking. Yeah. And sometimes maybe you don't want to live like right near your store. You want to be like some distance between you and your tenants, maybe. So it worked out okay for us from that
So good.
perspective.
That's good. Yeah.
Yeah.
And I remember like you found like in your like within 30 minutes, you found like 9 facilities or something. Like I think you
Yeah.
started out that way, then you kind of worked your way out, right?
Yes, I called all of them, and they said no. And one of the things that you're offered in the Storage Nerds is a lot of techniques and uh, tools to try to talk to a person. And Stacy has sample conversations that you can listen to recorded on how to speak to someone when you want to approach them about buying their facility. So, I called people, and I can't tell you how important relationship is. I have a lady now that I still call every now and then. Do you want to sell? Do you want to sell? And she's like, oh no, but I have your letter. And that's another tool you get on Storage Nerds is the magic letter. And what it does is it shows people, if you're going to pay cash, this is the amount. If you're going to owner finance and maybe put 25% down, over the course of time, they're going to get more than your 400,000 cash offer, because they're going to get that I don't know, analyzed over time. I forget what you call it, but I'm not a finance major, but
And the amortization.
amortization or
Yeah.
something. Yeah. So they're going to get more money. And so you show them that letter, and this lady says, I still have your letter, I have your letter. And so I think relationship is very important. When I called the owner of the current facility that we have at the time, the owner, he had owned it for years. It was in his family. And he said, I said, "Would you be interested in selling?" He said, "Oh, absolutely not." He said, "I get calls all the time." And then he said, "It would have to be a ridiculous amount of money." And so that was like an opportunity, like the door was open that much with that statement. And I said, "Well, how much?" And thanks to Stacy's deal analyzer, I ran that number and it ended up that it really would be workable, quite workable.
Hey everybody, this is Stacy here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am here to teach you how to get your foot into this industry. You're watching this video because you want to learn how to get started in self-storage investing, or maybe you own facilities and you want to be a better manager, a better owner. That is what I do, is I teach people how to do that. So please like this video and also subscribe, hit the subscribe button, because that's what YouTube wants. So in order for me to get out the word on how to get started in this industry, I really need your help. Again, I appreciate you listening to me, and I'm here to help you on this journey, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.